I am going to be showing you how to attract the US or UK viewers to your video. Now, why do we need the US viewers on your video? As a content creator, we have different CPM depending on the country you are from. Now, countries like the US, UK, and it likes have a higher CPM. And what is CPM? CPM is the amount that YouTube pays you. As an African, our CPM is not as high as those creators in the US. Now, getting viewers from those countries that have high CPM, like the US and the UK, is going to help your video CPM to be higher than you having Nigerian viewers or you having other African country viewers on your video. Now, I'm going to be showing us these tricks that we can use in attracting viewers from the US and the UK. One thing you have to do is, yes, the time in which you use in uploading your videos matters a lot. Now, when you want to upload your video, you should be able to know what time it is in the US. And the best time that you should upload your video as a Nigerian to get the US viewers is to always check what time is it in the US, which I'm going to advise you to upload your video from 5 p.m. if you must get viewers from the US. Because at that point, when it is 5 p.m. West African time, it is like around 12 p.m. in the US. So the time in which you use in uploading your video is very, very important. You wouldn't want to upload your videos at the time where it is night in the US. That is one way you can get the US viewers. Another way you can get the US viewers is, yes, changing your subtitle language is one way that can help you attract viewers from the US. And I'm going to be showing you how to do that. We are going to be doing this from our YouTube studio, but this time not our YouTube studio app, but our Chrome site. Now let's go straight to our Chrome. We are going to open our Chrome browser and you're going to type studio.youtube.com. My studio is already on my Chrome, so that's why it is like this. What you're going to do is, if you've already uploaded a video, you should just go to your videos, all right? Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Go straight to your video and click on the video. After clicking on the video, you edit. Now it's going to give you these options, all right? Now you're going to scroll. Now, when you get to this place, here you see language, okay? You click on it and you check. You see a lot of options. Now, you're going to see English, UK English, US English. You're going to click on the US English, all right? With this, you have successfully subtitled your video language to the US English. Now, the third thing that we are going to do is, yes, this is one good trick that can help you get viewers from the US and the UK. For example, if your channel is a product review channel, okay, you have to make review on products that is mostly found in the US. And how can you do this? That is why we have Google and ChatGPT. You can go on ChatGPT and ask skincare product that is popular in the US or affordable skincare product that is popular in the US. And ChatGPT is going to give you a list of different products that is popular in the US that is also still affordable, all right? Or if you are into a channel that teaches on how to make money or apps that you can make money from, what you are to do is to make your research on apps that are trending in the US, money-making apps that is in trend in the US. And how can you still do this? Like I've said, you use a ChatGPT to find out what to do. In fact, anything you don't know in this life, pardon me, anything you don't know about, you ask your ChatGPT. That's why if you don't have ChatGPT as a creator, then I don't know what you have. All right, you get information like that from ChatGPT. Okay, film a video of it and upload it. That is one way you can also get the US viewers on your channel. Now, what is the fourth thing you should do? Yes, this is one way you can also get viewers from the US. When filming your content, you don't need to start adding some slangs that is known in your country. Like now, I am a Nigerian. We have slangs we use in communication that if I make use of that slangs now, everyone from Nigeria would definitely understand what I'm trying to say. But those from the US or the UK will never understand what I am saying. So your English, whatever you are saying, should be as clear as possible. All right, should be as clear as possible that they can understand what you are trying to say. And one thing you should do is make sure your content is very educative, because if there is something people from the US and the UK love, is content that they can get something from, content that they can learn from. All right, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on your bell notification so you can always get notified when we drop a new video. And let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful, and see you next time on this channel.